To check your account balance on Goat, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the app or website easily. Step 1. Open the Goat app or website. Launch the Goat application on your mobile device or visit the Goat website on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password, to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 3. Navigate to your profile. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Access account balance. In your profile section, look for an option labeled Account Balance, Wallet, or similar. Click on this option to view your current balance. Step 5. Review your balance. Your account balance will be displayed on the screen. Take note of the amount, and if needed, you can also check transaction history or funding options from this section. Now you can easily keep track of your account balance on Goat. Regularly checking your balance can help you manage your purchases and sales effectively.